Yeah, hi, welcome to today's video. We're going to be talking blogging today, and we're going to be talking how to find a micro niche for blogging. Okay, now there are various different niches you can have, but we're going to be talking about a micro niche. We're going to be talking about how you can actually go and find those micro niches, which are going to make it easier for you, obviously, to make money with those niches and through your blog. So let's jump straight into it. Go through the process you need to know about how to find micro niches for blogging. Okay, so the first thing we need to talk about is obviously niches themselves. Okay, so what are good blog niches? Well, you can do blogs about all sorts of things, but not everything is actually a good thing to blog about. So there are different categories, different niches that are better than others. Okay, some of the primary niches would be health and fitness, wealth, finance. You've got relationships, you've got travel, you've got food, you've got lifestyle blogs. So there are various different things that obviously people blog about. But the way you want to look at it is you want to be finding a niche that one has got obviously a high volume of people actually searching for that niche and are involved in that niche if you can, but also that's got maybe a low competition. Okay, so this is why we go down and why we're going to show you how you can go into what we call micro niches instead. So the third thing you need to account for is that you've got to have ways of monetizing a blog for that particular niche. So there's got to be products and services that people are going to want to actually solve a problem. Okay, now if there are, then that is great. You can then obviously make more money. Now don't get me wrong, with any blog, if you get enough visitors to a blog, then you can obviously put ads on a blog and you can make money that way. But we're talking of even more money and various other ways that you can actually go and monetize a blog, and we'll be talking about that more in another video. But today we're going to be looking at how you can actually find your micro niche and how you can go and do that. So let's jump into that in more detail right now. Okay, so one of the things that you would probably you will need to actually go and do that, which will help you finding your micro niche, is obviously somewhere where you can search for niches and keywords that you might want to blog about. Okay, so you could use something like Google Keyword Planner if you wanted to. You could use a site called Uber Suggest. Neil Patel's Uber Suggest is a very good tool for doing just that. Or you could use numerous different tools. Some of them obviously are paid, such as Ahrefs, SME Rush, all those sort of things that are always good for blogging. Okay, and we're going to show you a tool that I use called Jaxi, which we're going to go through that in a very short while. Let's go and show you exactly how you can use these tools to find your micro niche. Okay, so we've jumped into my keyword tool Jaxi, and this is a tool that I use as part of my blogging platform where I host my blogs and also where I get all my training about blogging, and that is a company called Wealthy Affiliate. Now if you want to go and check out Wealthy Affiliate, you can do so as a free member, and I'll leave a link in the description below here. You also get use of this tool Jaxi. So I obviously use it for all of my blogs to find out keywords, and this is where you can also do your micro niche research, guys. So for argument's sake, we said about food as being one of the main niches that you could actually blog about. Now obviously food is very broad. It's a broad niche. Okay, if we wanted to take food, like I say, for argument's sake, and then we could also try something like healthy food. So if we search healthy food, now that's brought up some searches here, and as you can see, healthy food here, it's got an average monthly search online of 46,000. So in other words, if we got to the top of Google on any of our blog posts, we can anticipate sort of 7 to 8,000 hits per month on our blog. Okay, so that is quite good. So now healthy food obviously brings it down to what we call a sub niche. We're trimming it down to a more specific type of food. Okay, so now if we went further, and this is how we're going to go down into a micro niche, for argument's sake, if we then went to, for argument's sake, let's choose vegan food. Now this is even more specific and more niche. Now, as you can see here, vegan food still gets an average of 8,500 hits every single month. So again, this is going to be quite a sought after topic. But you've got obviously more chance of ranking probably for things to do with vegan food because it's going to be more specific, and you're going to get people. And if you just obviously blog just about vegan food, then people are going to be interested in every single blog, you see. And if you were obviously just doing one or two vegan blogs and then obviously doing more about other foods, then you're going to lose some of these people that obviously are not vegans and don't want to know about vegan food. So by being more specific and literally picking out a micro niche, this is going to be better for you in the short term to get your blog up and running. So that's the steps you need to go through to find a micro niche for blogging. Okay, trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch these videos next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We'll see you on the next video.